how to see how many hours you have played a Roblox game. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we'll show you on how you can check your playtime for any Roblox game. So to see how long you've played, follow the steps. First of all, go ahead and search for a browser extension called RoPro on Google. I already have this extension installed in my browser. But if it's the first time, you can go ahead and install the extension by clicking on install and then add to Chrome. After adding the extension, refresh the Roblox page. And the RoPro extension should now be visible on your Roblox homepage. Here you can see the option of Verify RoPro User. You might need to activate the extension, but the process is straightforward. So before continuing, you will need to verify your RoPro user. So go to homepage, click on the Verify button, and then click the button to open the Roblox game client. This will take you to the game where you can generate a verification code. Now simply tap on Generate Verification Code. Copy these codes or copy these emojis. Tap on Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Come back, open your browser, and then simply paste it over here, and you'll be done. Now go to the upper right corner and click on the RoPro logo from the extensions. Now make sure that the Experience Playtime Tracking option is enabled. Now you can go to Roblox game and see your playtime displayed next to the game's thumbnail. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.